You searched how to buy shares of Raytech Holding Ltd. Raytech is an industrial electronics and precision manufacturing company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker YUS. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker RAYUS to locate Raytech Holding Ltd. Select the entry that shows the NASDAQ market to ensure you have the correct listing. On the asset page, review the company's summary and the price chart to confirm it matches Raytech Holding Ltd. Double-check the ticker RAYUS and the NASDAQ label to be certain this is the correct stock. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to spend, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may become pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your Raytech position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown here.